Today, I'm unboxing one of the most controversial watch releases ever, the AP Royal Oak Concept Black Panther. This watch is currently for sale at Legacy Watch Co., so do get in touch if you're interested. Contact details in the description. I'll do a full review on this watch soon, but before then, I'll quickly talk through my thoughts about the watch. The Black Panther is one of the most polarizing watches I've seen, where people either like it or absolutely hate it. If you're in the hate camp, I completely get it, and nothing I say will change your mind. The idea of this watch and the Marvel collaboration aside, all I'll say is that the watch is very well executed. There's tremendous attention to detail with the hand-engraved and hand-painted Black Panther, and this is easily one of the most three-dimensional engraved dials I've seen. The new 42mm concept case in titanium is absolutely superb, with various different types of finishing. Combine that with the black ceramic bezel and purple strap, and we get what I think is actually a handsome, fun watch. Even the case back is worth mentioning for its awesome design, which is something I have never said about any AP. Ultimately, it's a watch that's not for everyone. I was a skeptic too, but after spending some time with it, it's definitely much better than I thought, and actually quite an awesome watch. My full review will be coming soon, so do subscribe to not miss it. Thank you for watching.